Tesla building a Gigafactory in India. How it will change everything. Tesla is going to do the unthinkable. Pivoting away from the #Made in China trend, the company has set its eyes on a totally new market. We're talking about lower production costs, easier export, and better quality. Let's see how a Gigafactory in India will change everything. Why Tesla is pivoting to India. Tesla has no presence in the Indian market, which is the third largest car market in the world, mind you. However, the country's laws aren't too friendly with imports. While the country prefers smaller cars, a $40,000 Tesla goes as high as $100,000 thanks to the taxes. So, if they want to make their operation in India a success, they have to manufacture the car locally. India has been spreading its wings to become a more feasible partner for businesses worldwide. It has come to news that Tesla is considering building a Gigafactory in India. India has one of the cheaper sides of the workforce environment, which will reduce the cost of building cars dramatically. Other than that, the country is also known to have more affordable raw materials. Thanks to native resources, say goodbye to higher markups on the Teslas in your showrooms. Tesla's luxury electric cars have shattered the notion that EVs are just practical but boring alternatives to internal combustion engine vehicles. The company's sleek designs, powerful performance, and advanced features have made EVs aspirational. This shift in perception would not only benefit Tesla, but also other EV manufacturers in India, as consumers become more open to the idea of investing in electric vehicles. Tesla's Gigafactory would not only focus on car production, but also on manufacturing batteries and energy storage solutions. This move would strengthen the overall EV ecosystem in India by promoting the development of sustainable energy solutions, grid integration, and renewable energy storage. Boosting domestic manufacturing. India's Make in India campaign aims to bolster domestic manufacturing capabilities and attract foreign investments. Tesla's investment in a Gigafactory in India would be a testament to the country's attractiveness as an investment destination. It would signal confidence in India's economic potential and encourage other global companies to explore manufacturing opportunities in the country. For now, many EV components and batteries are imported, leading to higher costs. Tesla's Gigafactory would localize production, reducing the dependence on imports and making electric vehicles more affordable for Indian consumers. India, with its skilled workforce and competitive manufacturing costs, could serve as an export hub for Tesla. The Gigafactory could cater not only to the domestic market, but also to other markets in the region, boosting India's position in the global EV supply chain. Why India is interested. Tesla's Gigafactories are known to be massive facilities that employ thousands of workers. The Gigafactory would require a skilled workforce to handle manufacturing, R&D, logistics, and support functions. Tesla's investment would lead to the creation of thousands of direct jobs in the automotive and related sectors. The presence of Tesla's Gigafactory would stimulate the growth of industries, such as component suppliers, raw material providers, and logistics services. These industries would in turn create additional employment opportunities. The economic impact of a Gigafactory extends beyond direct employment. Increased economic activity in the region would lead to higher disposable incomes, increased consumer spending, and a boost to local businesses. The country boasts the slogans like Make in India, which will definitely be more pronounced if the operation is a success. Improving charging infrastructure. Tesla is renowned for its supercharger network, which provides fast and convenient charging for its electric vehicles. Tesla's Gigafactory would be accompanied by an expansion of its supercharger network in India, which lacks any structured EV charging infrastructure as of now. Tesla's entry into the Indian charging infrastructure market could stimulate public-private partnerships, leading to joint ventures between Tesla and local companies or municipalities. Such partnerships could result in faster deployment of charging stations and a more widespread charging network. Tesla's latest V3 superchargers offer even faster charging speeds, reducing the time required for recharging. As Tesla introduces its latest technology in India, it would set new standards for charging infrastructure and push other charging network providers to innovate and improve their offerings. Driving down EV prices. Tesla has been successful in optimizing its manufacturing processes and driving down the cost of EV production. Gigafactories are known for their large-scale production capabilities, By manufacturing EVs locally in India, Tesla would benefit from economies of scale, reducing production costs per unit. As a result, Tesla could pass on these cost savings to not only Indian, but global consumers, making its EVs more affordable. Tesla's entry into India could create price competition in the EV market, prompting other manufacturers to reevaluate their pricing strategies. This competitive environment would benefit consumers by offering a range of affordable EV options. As Tesla's cost optimization efforts continue and EV technology advances, there is a possibility of achieving price parity between electric vehicles and internal combustion engine vehicles. This price parity would be a significant driver for the mass adoption of EVs in India. Technological upliftment. Tesla's Gigafactory is not just about assembling vehicles. It also involves cutting-edge battery technology and energy storage solutions. Tesla is a leader in battery technology, and thanks to the high concentration of resources in India, big changes are en route. This could lead to breakthroughs in battery efficiency, range, and lifespan. Tesla's energy storage products, like Powerwalls and Power Packs, would become more accessible and cheaper on a global level with the new Gigafactory. This would facilitate the integration of renewable energy sources into the grid, promoting sustainable and clean energy practices. The establishment of a Gigafactory would require a skilled workforce, proficient in advanced manufacturing and battery technologies. This would drive the demand for specialized training and education programs, contributing to the technological upskilling of the Indian workforce. Reducing carbon emissions. Tesla's core mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The mass production and availability of Tesla's electric vehicles in India would lead to a substantial reduction in greenhouse gas emissions caused by traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a key solution in combating air pollution and reducing the carbon footprint of the transportation sector. As I said, India is the third largest car market, and with the majority of the cars being internal combustion, it would be safe to say that the EV market is untapped. Under 5% of the cars on the road are electric, and Tesla definitely wants to seize the opportunity. The ultimate goal for India. Tesla's investment in India would signal to other global companies that India is a promising market for clean energy and electric vehicles. This vote of confidence would attract more foreign direct investment, further boosting India's economic growth. As Tesla considers exporting vehicles from its Indian Gigafactory, it would position India as a global manufacturing hub for electric vehicles. This reputation would draw more automotive companies and investments to India's shores. Tesla's presence in India would foster stronger trade ties between India and other nations, especially in the context of EV and clean energy technology. This enhanced cooperation could lead to bilateral partnerships and collaborations. Tesla's plans to build a Gigafactory in India mark a significant milestone for both the company and the Indian automotive industry. With the potential of reshaping India's automotive industry and inspiring policy changes, Tesla's Gigafactory in India has the power to change everything. This is a win-win for both sides. Tesla will save production costs, drive up profits, reduce the prices on a global level, and even tap a brand new market for electric vehicles. On the other hand, India gets a strategic investment, making the country hub for more such opportunities, driving up the employment rate, and creating more job opportunities. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.